početnici.
This extraordinarily beautiful monastery is probably the most visited in Macedonia and on the Balkan Peninsula, especially in summer. 28 kilometers away from Ohrid, right at the border with Albania, it certainly is the most popular, and in this video you will see why. Some people come here for the sandy beach, maybe the most beautiful beach on Lake Ohrid. Some for the food. There are 3 restaurants, one of which is well renowned around the Balkans, and you'll see it very soon in this video. And some just to visit the monastery and hear the heartbeat of St Naum. As you pass the first and the most popular part of the beach and this restaurant, the first one, you will get to the first access point to the St Naums, or as they are originally called, Black Drin Springs. Here and at few other places you can catch a boat and cruise around this really magical place right next to the Ohrid Lake. The most interesting part about these springs and the river is that it flows inside the lake right here, crosses through the entire lake and then flows out of the lake at the town of Struga. It's the most unique and beautiful natural phenomenon. Another interesting fact is that the Lake of Ohrid, which is one of the oldest lakes in the world, is getting its water from more than one spring. This is the second and the most popular restaurant here. The most uniquely beautiful thing you can do here is have a dinner on a huge raft that hosts several tables and cruise around the springs. We are sorry we couldn't show you how this looks like, but you can find some videos on YouTube. The monastery was established in 905 AD by St Naum himself, but it was destroyed completely in the 15th century AD by the Turk invaders. It was rebuilt in the 17th century AD, and with little modification you are pretty much seeing that version of the complex.
bez koje se ne može proučavati srednjovekovna umetnost, a srednjovekovna umetnost vam je vizantijska umetnost. Od njega u Svetoj Sofiji govorimo sve 18. Inače da zna ove ikone što s interpolimešane su ih prolašne.
St Naum himself, whose life is shrouded with mystery for his deeds as a miracle worker, was buried here, in this church, inside the monastery premises. And the legend has it that people can hear his heartbeat if they put their ear on the grave cover. Tourists and believers from every religion from all over the world come here to experience this miracle. So if you find our content useful, click the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews like this one, and spread the word by sharing the video with people that might find it useful. See you at the next destination, and remember, it's the journey that counts.